Good afternoon, everyone, and a very warm welcome to TechnoShow 8, where creativity and innovation comes to life. My name is Ahad Ali Siddiqui, and it's a pleasure to be your host as we celebrate our amazing students' talent and hard work. Thank you all for joining us today. We have an incredible program lined up for you, and I cannot wait to see all the brilliant projects on display today by our participants. As you know, Techno Show is a main feature of Affreej Elearning, a platform which is dedicated to provide virtual education on a very personal level. I am thrilled to introduce our special guest for this event, Ms. Farah, the CEO and the founder of Affreej Elearning. Ms. Farah is the driving force behind Techno Show, and her vision for empowering students through technology is truly inspiring. She worked tirelessly to bring this event to life, and her dedication to the cause is evident in everything we see here today. So let's give her a big round of applause, everyone, as she joins us. Ms. Farah, the mic is for you. Welcome to the event.
Yes, thank you, Ahad. Thank you so much. And it's a pleasure being here. And I'm super excited to see all the projects. And let's begin and let's see all the innovations with our little coders, young coders, I would say.
Yes, yes,
All the best, all of
definitely.
you. And let's
Definitely,
start,
that
Ahad.
is amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Farah, for this exciting declaration. It's truly a pleasure to be here today. And now I'd like to take a moment to thank all the mentors for taking their time out for their busy schedule to join us for this highly anticipated event, Techno Show Season 8. Our mentors have been instrumental in guiding and supporting our participants, and we are truly honored to have such an amazing group with us today. Now, let me introduce our mentors. Uh, as you can see, we have Mr. Azhar Hussain with us. He has 25 years of experience in technology, leadership, and enterprise platform, expertise in fintech, energy, real retail, and telecom. Co-founder and CTO of Charge Up, Pakistan's first cooperative expense management platform, startup mentor, and multiple hackathon winner as well. Thank you so much, Mr. Hazosan, for joining us today. Please say a few words as we move forward.
Thank you so much, Ahad, for your introduction. My name is Azhar Hussain, and I am actually very much excited to see the projects today. And these little kids are actually the future of our, like the next generation. So I'll be looking forward to it. Thank you so much.
And perfect. And we are also looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Mr. Asosan. And I'm also looking forward to your remarks to the projects as well. And moving forward, we have a person with us who is BSc and MSc in physics, B.Ed in PGCE, 20 years of teaching mathematics experience, physics, and STEAM as well. Experience in British Canadian IB curriculum, student centered, hands on STEAM teaching, and real time experience. Published physicist and as author as well, Mr. Raza Kayani. Thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Raza.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. You're very much audible. Thank you so much for giving your time to us and for the Techno Show Season 8. Would you like to say a few words as we begin?
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Good morning here in Canada and USA. Good afternoon in Middle East and Pakistan, India. My name is Razakani. Um, I was so excited to join this techno show. I missed many times, so I got this opportunity. I'm really proud to be here, and I'm looking forward and excited to see the innovative projects, program, Python, and many more. So it would be a wonderful day.
Thank you so much, and we are so glad to have you, Mr. Zakani, for us. Sit tight, we are going to move forward. Thank you so much. We have another mentor with us, that is Mr. Rahim Ladha, and he is got 25 years of experience in tech strategy, banking, and insurance. With that, we have a technology consultancy, lead in education initiatives in northern Pakistan, and much more. Established computer centers, and also for 12 students in Chitral and Hunza, and that's a big achievement. Mr. Rahim, would you like to say a few words as we move forward?
No, thank you very much. Hello from Toronto. It's cold here. but I'm looking forward to it. This is first time and won't be the last one. So good luck to everybody.
I love that energy. That was really amazing the first time, but won't be a last one. Thank you so much. With that, moving on, we have Miss Fariha Ali with us. She is also joining us. She's a guest speaker in leadership, also a team builder, and public relationship is also her forte. Founder of Free Emotional Intelligence Center since 2011. Coach to CEOs, executive women and youth for leadership and stress management, and much more. Thank you so much, Ms. Faria, for joining us. A few words as we move forward.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm audible.
Yes, yes, you are. You are.
Okay, that's good to know. Okay, I am quite excited to be the part of this techno show today, and I'm grateful for inviting me over. And I am quite in a mood of learning from these blooming minds in front of me, and they look so excited, and so I am. Inshallah, it will be a great opportunity for me to have so much learning from these little kids, inshallah.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you so much, Mr. Farihali. And with that, these are our mentors with us. And as we move forward, so everybody who is watching it on live stream at the moment, they know what is the drill. Now we're going to move on to what we have been eagerly waiting for. That is our talented participants. These young innovators have put in tremendous effort to bring their out of the box projects to life. And I am beyond excited to see what they have in store for us today. I'm sure you all are eager as well. And once you're going to see the projects, you will be thrilled because this is the third time I'm hosting this techno show. There was season 5, season 6, season 7, and season 8 now. And I've always, every time I hosted one, I was so thrilled to see the creativity, the innovation spirit, the spirit to take technology and use it to make something in the most creative way. And that was really amazing. So, as we should move forward, I think my screen, should I share it, Miss Halima, now?
Yes, please go ahead.
Perfect, perfect. So let's move forward with our participants, and let's meet our first participant is Mr. Abdullah Tola, and he is 13 years of age. Platform on which he's working is Python, and the project that he's going to be presenting is Student Grade Checker. So Abdullah, we are ready for you. Are you ready to share your project?
Yeah, I'm ready. Do I share
Perfect,
my
perfect.
screen?
Perfect. Yes, you are very much audible and your video is also good. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen and allow you to share yours, okay? So that you can present your project. Best of luck, Abdullah. I'm so excited for you and your fellow participants as well are. Here the screen is being shared and here you go. So mentors, the project is in front of you.
Wait, can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen. This is perfect. Please go ahead.
Okay. Hello, my name is Abdullah Sola, and using the code Python, I've created a student grade tracker, which is like a Python program that allows users to manage the student records, record the grades, calculate averages, and save or load data from a file. It basically uses a dictionary called students, store each student's ID, name, and grade for math, science, and English. The program is organized into functions that handle specific tasks, such as adding or removing students, entering grades with proper input validation, and calculating course averages, and also generating the student response to the overall averages. It also includes file handling to save data into a text file and load it later. A main menu loop controls the whole program, allowing the users to choose the options until they exit. Overall, the program basically demonstrates the use of dictionaries, functions, loops, conditionals, file input and output, and it creates a user-friendly grade management system. So, if I press play over here, you can see there's a main menu and there's a bunch of options that you have to choose. So, for example, if I choose one and I enter student ID and enter the name, it has been added. So, if you want to add a grade, you can press 3 and you have to enter the student ID, which is 8944. And now you have to put math in uppercase, like the first letter has to be uppercase, exactly how it is so that it won't work. And then, for example, you say 96%. So it's going to be added. And if you want to view the student report, you can press 4, enter student ID, and over here it will show like for science and English there's no grade required, but for math there's 96%. Or if you want to like remove a student, you're gonna press 2, press A08944, and now it's gonna be removed. So if you want to prove this, we go to 5, which is list all students, and it's gonna say no students found.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's it.
That's great. Thank you so much, Abdullah. Please stop sharing your screen.
Okay, stop share.
Thank you. And with that, this was Abdullah's project, and it was showcased with such confidence. First of all, I have to say that because that was really amazing. So, Abdullah Tola, thank you for your project display, and I would like to request our esteemed mentors now to share their thoughts on it. We'll start with Mr. Azhar. Mr. Azhar, your thoughts on the project?
Yeah, Abdullah. First of all, I would like to congratulate you that you have presented your project in a very, very professional style, very good style. I have seen actually your code, and it is actually very well arranged. And it has comments as well. You use conditions, you use loops, every actually the basic element of like computer programming, you used it. So that is good. And my suggestion is actually just to take it forward and don't actually stop, coding using logic and these things. It will actually eventually turn out to be good for you, inshallah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Perfect, perfect. Very, very good words. Good words from Mr. Azhar for you, Abdullah. Let's move forward to Mr. Rahim. Mr. Rahim, your thoughts on the project? How do you liked it?
As I said, this is my first time, and I'm impressed the way Abdullah has shown the code. So I'll break this down into a few things that will help Abdullah. So Abdullah, presentation wise, it was good. Your voice was confident, but if you can slow down a little bit, because there were times you were going quite fast, so it's hard to understand. But that's just a feedback. But overall, it was perfect. I would give you out of 10, I would give you 8, basically, right? So to get 2 more points, just slow down a little bit more and kind of thing. When you're presenting it, I know there are multiple areas that is happening, but take one area and go a little deeper. Is what was your thought process here? Why did you choose this one, not the other one? Oh, I have another idea here, but this worked a little better in this overall schema, so that would be good, right? The thing would be that you also that you need to put some checks and balance. So you were able to go and delete the student right away. But one of the things you need to do whenever you do these kind of take action, you must get a confirmation to say, are you sure about it?
Yeah.
And right. And the last thing I would say that there were 5 more things I want to do in this thing, but for the version 1, this is my area. So what we want to do is this, not just this project. We want to see what was your thought process, that how do you as Mentor Azhar said, that keep continuing. So the idea would be, what are those 5 things that you want to add into version 2? But overall, it was great. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Mr. Rahim. And that was really good when it comes to presenting something. Those pointers really come handy. And I guess that's your future reference. Whenever you're presenting something, we'll move forward to Miss Fariha. Miss Fariha, your thoughts on the presentation?
Yes, Abdullah, I have been through your thoughts and the coding process. Your confidence, I'll give you full marks for that. And that was so good. And you look seriously very confident. And your idea seems very executable in my point of view. You can carry on forward, and good luck for your project.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Ms. Fariha. Short and precise and very, very encouraging. Moving forward, yes, Mr. Raza Kiani, your thoughts on the project displayed by.
Yes. Yeah, I would like to ask Abdullah, how long did you take to design this app?
Like like 1.5 years, like I don't know, like maybe like between 1 or 2 hours.
Oh, you did in 1 and 2 hours?
1 and 2 hours.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's amazing. I think you are well trained. You made many other apps, so that's why you uh, were able to make it in this short time.
Yeah, I also made like a grocery store. and like a bunch of other stuff.
All right. So you know the programming, you know everything very well. So it's very, very, surprising for me that you did in a very short time. And really, it's a need. Like there are many LMS, there are many different apps for the school, for the colleges, for the universities. But still, there is a need, like the cheap one, the easy one, friendly. So I'm sure you are going to design for the teachers for free.
Okay. Yes. Now, Abdullah, would you like to answer that? Would you design others for the teachers and just for free for the teachers?
Yeah.
Okay, that's such an honest response. Thank you so much, Mr. Raza. Such encouraging words. Thank you so much, Abdullah, as well, for presenting this amazing project. I have a question of my own. Like, as you said, you have made it, and as Mr. Raza also very prudently said, that there are colleges, universities who might be, looking for such a program. But yet again, there are multiple venues to branch this out. Like, there are grocery stores and big metro stores where piles of stuff is placed, and once if they're trying to find it out something that the software can also work with a different way. So that's great. Thank you so much, Abdullah. We're going to move forward to our next participant, or ladies and gentlemen. Our next participant is Miss Hissa Al Surya. Miss Hissa Al Surya is with us, and she's going to present her next project. She's 16 years of age. The platform she's working on is Python and CSS. The project name is Retinal Disease Deduction. Sounds really, really appealing and interesting. Hissa, the floor is yours. Please start your presentation.
Okay.
Hissa, please turn on your camera and please share your screen as well.
My camera doesn't work, but I'm sharing my
Okay.
screen.
Perfect, perfect. So we're waiting for the screen to be shared now. Perfect. So your screen is shared and the mentors are all interested to see what you are presenting. Go ahead. The floor is yours.
Okay, so hello, my name is Hissa Saraya. I'm 16 years old and I'm from Saudi Arabia. So today I'll be presenting my project, Retinal Disease Classification using Convolutional Neural Networks, or CNN. So to begin with, retinal diseases affect the back of the eye and can lead to vision loss or even blindness if not detected early. And diagnosis usually requires specialist and careful analysis of retinal images, which takes a lot of time. So this motivated me to explore how artificial intelligence can help detect disease risk faster and more efficiently. So for this project, I used a medical dataset from Kaggle, which is an online platform that provides datasets for research. And medical data is difficult to collect due to privacy concerns. So Kaggle kind of makes this research possible. And the dataset contains retinal fundus images labeled as either disease risk or no disease risk. I focused on binary classification, meaning the model predicts whether a patient is at risk or not. Even visually, the differences between images can be very little. So for the project steps, I used Python libraries such as TensorFlow, Keras, NumPy, and OpenCV. First, I loaded and labeled the images, and then I resized them and normalized them so that the model could learn efficiently. And the data was split into training, validation, and test set. And this would help like the model learn efficiently. And I also applied data augmentation to help the model generalize better and avoid memorizing the images. So for the core of this project, it's the CNN. The early layers like learn the patterns, the simple features like edges and colors, while like deep layers learn complex patterns such as blood vessels and disease-related structures. And maximizing layers reduce images size while keeping important information. And the model improves by comparing its predictions with the true labels and adjusting itself over time. As for the results, as you can see here, the like after training over several epochs, the model achieved around 86% accuracy on unseen test data. And more importantly, it correctly identified most patients with disease risk. And in medical screening, missing a disease is way more serious than false alarms. So this result is very encouraging. And in conclusion, this project shows how CNNs can assist doctors by supporting early retinal disease screening. And while it does not replace medical professionals, it can help prioritize high-risk patients. In the future, this model could be expanded to detect specific retinal diseases. And lastly, I would like to thank TechnoShow, my instructor, Ms. Samina, and my trainer, Ms. Fatma. Thank you for listening.
Thank you so much, Ms. Hissa. And that was an amazing presentation from introducing yourself till the conclusion. That was really good. Please, you can stop sharing the screen now. Thank you so much. So I am so eager to see what our mentors have for you. So let's start with Mr. Raza. Mr. Raza, what are your thoughts on what you have just seen, witnessed, this amazing projects?
Yes, Hisa, I would like to congratulate you on such amazing research. You seems to be like more researcher rather than programming, and I think you like more biology and diseases something. So it's amazing, like you picked the idea that belongs to researchers, not to the students. That's amazing, your start. You started your like 16 years age as a researcher, and you are going to combine with computer technology, with coding. So it's amazing. Like it's very expensive treatment, as I know, and it's great help. Keep it up and go ahead. So it's amazing, like there are some curable diseases, and some are they have a treatment only, and people they suffer, they need help. So I'm sure you will not stop and keep working on it. So I have a short question to Hissa. Like, how did you develop this ability in this small age to go for and pick the research topics?
Well, I've always been like interested in stuff like combining AI and healthcare because like last time I had two projects. I had CNN detecting skin cancer and CNNs detecting pneumonia. And now I actually have like an external project for like a competition, and it's basically an app that can detect like diseases like skin cancer and eczema and vitiligo and all that. So like I feel like I like the idea, especially like I don't know, like combining them just seems so interesting and like researching and knowing about the diseases and like how people can't get like the treatment very fast. So AI can help them get it really fast, way faster than going to specialists and stuff like that and wasting time.
Sorry,
That's
I have
amazing.
another question to ask. Like, many people they don't know AI, they don't know computer skills. This disease mostly it developed, like at older age, so at senior age. So how can you make it easy so common people they can get benefit from your app and the work that you're doing?
Well, like the app can be very easy, like it doesn't have to be complicated to use. And since, yeah, many people are not familiar with AI, they don't have to use like AI directly. It could be integrated into like hospitals or clinics. And then like a nurse or like a technician could take the image and help them, specifically if they're old.
Thank you, Isa. Keep it
Thank
up.
you so much. That was a great, really insightful questions and very profound answers as well. Thank you so much, Asa. Yes, Mr. Azhar, your thoughts on the project. Thank you, Mr. Azhar, for your comments.
I think I would like to start with congratulating Hisa and like her mentors and teachers, because she has developed a very very actually mature application. She has used all the required libraries from Python, and she actually trained the model, and then like get out to the result, these things. And what I would like to appreciate that her presentation was very good, because she started with the problem, and then actually she worked on the problem and created a solution. and the solution has actually some results. So that is actually a very fine approach of looking into something in future as well. To whenever actually we start something, we should start with the problem and try to solve it. So this is actually a very, very great approach. I liked it a lot. And for future, I would like to suggest her to actually try to create an interface of it and try to actually mature her model up to 96%. Right now, her model is actually 86%. But the higher the maturity will go, the higher the usability of this solution will become, very beneficial for its users.
Perfect.
That
Great
that's it for me.
insight and a great dimension to move forward with. Thank you so much, Mr. Azhar. And these kind of comments that Mr. Azhar and Mr. Raza just shared, that can only come from a person who's coming from the heart of, making you better, and also from the angle of having such experience in the field. Mr. Rahim, you're next. What are your thoughts on this amazing project?
No, this was great. I was really impressed. So let me start with the presentation. I will give like 10.5 out of 10. So I was very happy the way she explained it. And she went through the depth and steps. So I really appreciated that, right? The problem is real problem. And she picked that at this early age. And so I want to give actually encourage and credit to the teachers and the mentors who are helping her. So that's really good. Uh, because of our presentation, we were able to understand the problem a bit clearly. It's like, what are you trying to solve? And then say, I use a tool to solve this problem. Then she came to say that my model is 86%, but one recommendation would be now you cannot, when you started first, it was not 86%. What are the things, what journey you to, because one of the things that we like to understand, or anybody would say, what was your journey to get to the 86%? And inshallah, what Mentor Azhar say that if you get to 96%, that's the journey that I would like to take, right? The second thing is Python is just a tool. What other tools it's in their arsenal or available that they can use? So I think that would be good for her for future. Um, can it be a consumer app? For example, that you could create an app, somebody can take a retina scan, and you can say, this is what it looks like, make a history, but please consult with your doctor to say, because right now you can see a lot of people have wristbands which takes your heartbeat and all this, but they say this is just for information. Same thing on retina side. Can it be done? I don't know, but as she mentioned in her thing that it cannot replace the doctor, but the idea would be, can this information be preventive and go to doctor? So my congratulations to her. Keep looking. And also next time, tell us, beside this one problem, what are the other problems you would like to dive deeper? So congratulations and good luck.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Mr. Rahim. And yes, Miss Fariha, your comments, ma'am, on this amazing project that is just
That's very good to go, Hessa. I really appreciate your presentation. You just started with a lifetime actual problem, and you gave us a very good implementation of your app at the end. The most important thing, it is implemented as it is in a healthcare sector that is very much needed all over the time and the eras. We do need it. And you presented, you researched, and you gave us the stats as well. 86% accuracy is a good way to present in your application in the start. I must appreciate. And the most important thing, I liked in your presentation that the predictions in your applications can be improved. That is very good. That it has the improvement ability with passage of time. And the most important thing I liked is that you gave encouragement to the doctors that the health professionals are not replaceable. Yes, they are. They are not replaceable by the apps. And
yeah.
I appreciated your, I totally agree with your research. And it is very important that if we find something before time, either in detection or the diagnosis. And very good luck for the future of your coding, for your applications, app making, or and the presentation. That's a very good to go thing. Good luck.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Miss Fariha. Hissa, such amazing words and such amazing comments for you. How are you feeling right now?
Good.
Good. I can hear in your voice as well. Yes, you are feeling good, and that's amazing. And I like this is, as you have said, that yes, the doctors cannot be replaced by this particular thing. But yes, having a good or more easy user interface. The people who are going to use this application, they can do it on their own. Like have a user manual and see how they can detect different diseases. So you are doing great, and I wish that you follow all the dimensions and the suggestions that is given to you by the mentors. Thank you so much, mentors, for this amazing presentation and yet comments. Moving forward, and I cannot wait to move forward because our next participant is Abbas Heather. He is 10 years of age, and the platform he is working is Python CPEP. And the project that he is presenting is named Student Management System. Abbas Heather, are you with us? Are you ready to present your project?
Yeah.
Perfect. And I can see the confidence in your voice as well. So, the cameras are on and he is here with us. So, the screen is for you. Take the screen, share your project, and whenever you're ready, you can present.
Okay.
Okay, it's about to begin. And here it is. Perfect. So, Abdullah, we are good for you. Start your project, please.
Okay. Assalamualaikum. My name is Abbas Hader and I'm 10 years old. And this is my code, which is a student management system. So here we're importing the Tikinder library as TK and importing the message box. And here we made the class student management system. These are all, this is title, geometry, and configure. And these are all the variables like ID, name, course, email, and contact, search by and search text. This is the title and then manage frame with the coordinates and the buttons like add, update, delete, or clear, and the detail frame. Here is the table. Now I'm going to show you the output of my code. So here's the output on my code. Here you can put whatever the ID you want. You can put whatever ID you want. Name, course, email, and contact. Then you can simply add it and it becomes a record. So you could, when you click on it, you could change whatever you want, like put my last name in and then press update to update the code. And you can also, if you click on it again, you can clear it, so clear the whole thing, or you could delete the whole record. And here you can search for records by ID or name, and then you search it and it to find the records faster. And that is my whole code. So I'm thanking Affreej Elearning for allowing me to present this code, and also my teacher Sarah Hamid and my trainers, Miss Fatima and Mr. Abdul Rahman.
Perfect. Thank you so much. That was a great presentation from you, Abbas Adar.
Yep.
And you can please stop sharing the screen now. Perfect. A
Okay.
great presentation. And also the one with the user interface for us to witness how it will look in real time. So that was great, Abbas Adar. I would really request Ms. Farhia to please start and share her comments. How do you like the project shared by Abbas Adar? Ms. Farhia, over to you.
Yes, I really enjoyed, Bas, your presentation. And at the very early age of 10 years with a blooming mind, I am really impressed. That's very good. And you clearly presented your project with a clear coding and the use of that project is very clear to us, and it's a very nice effort and very much time saving for many schools and people. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Abbas, can I please request you to please stop sharing your screen right now?
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's the button.
Yes,
I'm
it's
gonna
right in front of you.
activate
Perfect. Thank you so much. And yes,
and
Mr.
then
Azhar, your thoughts on the project
head to
presented by Abbas Heather.
Yeah, boss, you are actually a little superhero. You have actually built your application not only with, good UI, but all the, functionalities which are, generally available in even latest app and the apps which actually professional to develop. So, like I'm very happy to say it. Your application has a very nice interface, very clean interface, and all the functionalities were working, like as expected, and you presented it in a very, very, sophisticated manner. So I liked it. For future, actually, I would like to suggest that don't actually, stop working on that project, enhance it, because even, professional engineers, they do the same thing. They actually design the functionality, they design the UX, UI, everything. So do continue it and, make it more stable and strong. It will eventually, make you a great engineer in future. That's it from my side.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And such
me.
amazing words, Abbas. How are you feeling right now?
Good. I'm feeling
Yeah.
confident. Thank you
Yes.
for suggestions.
Perfect. Perfect. And we have two other mentors to go right now. Mr. Raza, your thoughts?
Yes, Abbas, are you there? As Mr. Azhar said, the program was amazing, the way you designed. Um, uh, there's some suggestion for you for improvement. The introduction was a bit fast. Like, you have to introduce well your topic. So it gone a bit faster. Those people they know programming, they can catch up easily. Those they don't have idea with such Python and other programs, so it's a bit difficult for them. So the idea was very touching. Keep it up.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Mr. Raza. So,
Thank
see,
you.
Abbas, Heather, that was a great feedback when it comes to presenting, because you can actually have a mindset that there are multiple people, they come from different backgrounds who I'm presenting it to, and I should, put my message across in a proper manner so that they can understand. So, that was a great feedback. Thank you so much, Mr. Raza. Mr. Rahim, you're up. What are your thoughts and how are you feeling about Abbas Heather's project?
Yeah, no, so presentation was perfect. I was very impressed that the way you used the library to get the buttons and all those things. So it was good. The UI was good. You had the top header. You had the left side where you can do add search thing, and on the left side you had the list of students. It's perfect. I'll give you a couple of suggestions for next time. Right, when you click on add, make the student ID number auto increment. So whatever the last auto ID you have in your system, +1, right?
Okay.
Second thing, with the course, add a drop down. You have already used the drop down control on the search side, right? Remember where you can do search, you do. So you just need to apply the same drop down for the course. And
Okay.
again, when you click on delete, ask for confirmation that would you like to delete. Those were the few things. You're on the right path. Keep going and look for some nice how you can make the user interface a little bit more appealing and kind of. But I think it's for the first version, I would say it was great. So good luck and keep it up.
You too.
Perfect. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Yes, a perfect, a really good first version, and a lot of things to work on as well. So, Abbas Haider, that was a great feedback and an amazing presentation for from your end, and amazing project with a really nice, really understandable user interface. So, what you lacked in the coding thing, you really covered up with the UI. Thank you so much. And with Abbas, now we're going to move forward to our next participant, and our next participant is Abdul Salam Usman. He's 14 years of age, and the platform he's working on is called Python, and the project is called Weather Forecast, which is very needed right now because as the climate is changing, we just don't know what is going on and what is happening. So, yes, Abdul Salam, you're up. Can you Can you hear me? Please
Yes.
say something. Perfect. So I'm going to stop sharing your screen and you can share your project. Abdussalam, are you ready?
Yes. I'm ready when
Perfect,
you are.
perfect. So just waiting for you, and the mentors are also ready. Weather forecast is coming up for all those who are joining us live through Affreej Learning social media platforms. Abdul Salam is about to present his project in Techno Season 8, Techno Show Season 8.
Okay. So, Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Abdul Salam. I'm 14 years old. I was born in Jeddah, and right now I'm currently in Pakistan. So as you can see right now, I'm showing you my project with the forecast, and like here in the first sentence, I'm like importing a lot of stuff like custom decanter, request spreading data, image, bytes, and a lot of stuff here. And like here in line 13, I've like set my parents mode to dark because I love dark mode. And here we have class, Skycast presentation. And here we have the title of the app, and the geometry and the colors of it, and the icon and image references here. So there's a lot of stuff, like a lot of user interface here. It's like a very big code. I've like a lot of stuff like 24 hour forecast and 5 day forecast for the next 5 days, and a lot of stuff here. So let me just show you my output real quick. Hmm. Okay. Might take some time.
Okay.
Mhm.
And it's going on. So we have,
Okay, where is it? Oh, yeah. Can I see you?
yes, we can see it. That's amazing.
So
Keep
as you can see, there's the whole app. Here's the 24-hour forecast, 5 day forecast for the next 5 days, humidity, UV index, sunrise, sunset, real feel and pressure. So let me just search up a city real quick. Let's say Toronto. Okay, it's showing updating here. Okay, it's loaded now. So as you can see here, we have Toronto here. And right now there's -1 degree,
so
and it's very
can,
cold.
yeah.
And right now I guess they have nighttime there, and so on. Then it'll be night, cloudy, and then sunrise, and then cloudy the whole time. So in the next 5 days we have like cloudy for the next 2 days, and then they'll have rain there, and then Wednesday cloudy. And here, as you can see in the UV index, it's 0.5, and humidity is 85%, which is quite high. And sunrise is like 7:17 a.m. there, and sunset is at 17:46 p.m. And the real feel is like -5 degrees, and the pressure is 997 PA, which is normal there, I guess. So like that's it. That's pretty much the whole code.
That is
Um,
amazing. Thank you so much.
I'm like very much thankful to Affreej Learning for like letting me show this project, and it's a very great opportunity. I'm grateful for my teacher, Sir Aliasam, for teaching me Python, and my mentor, Sir Abdurrahman and Ms. Fatma, for teaching me how to present in the TechnoShow. So that's it. Thanks so much, guys, for listening.
Thank you so much, Abdul Salam, and thank you for also stopping the screen share as well. So that was really great, the 5 days podcast as well. Abdul Salam, can I just give you one small note? So where if in during the presentation, if something is taking time, you just keep on talking, okay? You explain it beforehand, before it is appearing on screen. You know what you're presenting, and you can go on with it. So moving forward to our mentors, let's start with Mr. Azhar Hussain now. Yes, Mr. Azhar, your thoughts and your comments on the project.
Yeah, actually, the project is actually very good. He actually used the APIs to grab the data, live data. So that was actually really like a smart thing he did. He could have shown something from just static data, but he went for live data. That was actually good. That's why it took time. I think little bit, like feedback I can give that on presentation as when you are presenting something which actually is dependent on internet, then you should have some actually backup plan until the data loads. Rest of the things are very fine, and I really like that project. That's
Thank
it
you
from
so
my
much,
side.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Azhar. And moving forward, Ms. Fariha, your thoughts on the project? How do you liked it?
Yes, Mr. Abdul Salam, I really appreciate and impressed by your way of presentation. First of all, I would like to appreciate that you gave a very good, confident presentation of your project. Because you were working with the live data and it was taking time to load, and you were very normal, calm, and during that time that is appreciable at your age. And the thing you picked up, anything I always appreciate that applications or the technology that is available to for the service and the ease of humanity, or the efforts and the time saving is always commendable. You took and selected a very good topic. I must appreciate, and I must appreciate your teachers as well. Good luck.
Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Ms. Fariha. Mr. Rahim, your thoughts on the project? Such wise words coming from both the mentors.
So, Abdul Salam, it's cold here. So, thanks for letting me know again that Toronto it's cold. No, it was great presentation. I liked from the beginning the way you talked and kind of stuff, and the use cases. Fine, everybody needs help. I would also suggest that in future, if you can also show how it looks like on mobile, because a lot of people check their weather on the mobile. So
Yes,
say
sir.
my screen looks like this, but if then it will work on a mobile too. So that would be good. There are many other technologies out there on weather. So I would say I would take this as version one, but think about what could be in version two, what other information you can bring. You can also think about from the same API, you can also get like a next 4 hours of forecast. You can play a video there. So there are a lot of things in that API. So I would encourage you to keep looking into it, and good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Mr. Rahim. Mr. Raza, your thoughts on the project presented by Abdul Salam? Your mic is muted, sir. Please unmute your mic. Yes, now it's okay. Now
Thank
you
you.
have.
Thank you for reminding me. Thank you. Abdul Salam. Yeah. Abdul Salam, you gave us hope for the pleasant weather. Last week it was -18, feels like -26. So I think the upcoming week will be much better. Okay. So yes, it was amazing. You are so confident, the way you have organized everything. But I just, there is a question in my mind. Abdul Salam, are you allowed to take IPS data without permission? Because you did smart step, to just link your app with provided data.
I actually have not asked the permission, but yeah, I will just ask them if they would allow me. So I will just
Okay.
quickly.
Okay. In future, if you are going to design your own, that is amazing. Okay. It's really excellent start. Do you have anything in your mind to have to collect your own data by using computer skills?
Could you please repeat it again?
Yeah. Do you have in your mind to design your app to collect your own data?
Yes, I will do that, inshallah.
Okay. So which kind of the techniques you are going to use to collect the data? Like, it's really changing, like it's not easy. So do you have anything in your mind that you can collect data and connect your own app with the weather forecast?
Right now I don't have, but I will see it in the future, inshallah.
Great job, but you did that, okay? Yeah, you linked the live weather. It's amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Mr. Raza. And Abdul Salam, how are you feeling with all the comments for your project that you have made with such a heart?
Great.
Great, perfect. You should feel great, and that was a great project as well. All the things, the feedback is given to you can be very, very helpful and concrete when you'll think more about your project and turning it into a very good user interface application. So thank you so much, Abdul Salam, and such great talent we are seeing right now at TechnoShow Season 8 by Affreej Elearning. And moving forward right now, we have our next participant, and that is Mr. Afan Ikhlas. He's just 10 years of age, working on Python right now, and the project he has developed is named Word Game. So, Afan Ikhlas, are you with us?
Yes, I am.
Perfect. That's great. And you look great. Amazing. I can see that confidence phase, and I'm so excited for your presentation. Abdul Afan Ikhlas, the screen is yours. You can start sharing for your project. The word game is coming up for all those who are live and watching us live. And here is Afan's project. Afan, take it away.
This is the code. This is the library which shows the button and the slides. This library shows up pop-up messages that, for example, the word is not a real word or congratulations, you have won the game. This library shuffles the letters and gives it to the user. This library checks the dictionary that the word is real or not. This is the code for the color of the button and the erase button and the submit button and all that. These are the master words. The words the user enter can take inspiration from these words. From planets, for example, from planets we can make plan. From players we can make play, and from working we can make work, and etc. This is the output. As you can see, if we enter a word, it will just show it here, and but it will check is the if the word is 3 letter, 4 letter, or 5 letter. But if the word is wrong, it will show not a real word. Uh, if we have to erase one letter, we can just press erase and it will remove a letter. But if we have to erase the whole word, we have to press clear. After we have won the game, as you can see, the all grades are full, and it shows congratulations, you have won the game. We can start a new game. At last, I would like to thank my teacher, Miss Sarah, to help me make this project, and my mentors and my trainers, Miss Fatma and Sir Abdul Rahman, to help me, and Afreez to help me display this project. Thank you.
Ahad, you're on mute.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for pointing that out. Thank you so much, Afan, for that amazing project. Can I request you to reshare your screen and where the project was, that word? Can you make a three-letter word for us right now from those alphabets?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much. Let's see how Afan is going to use it as he has presented it very well. Just to have a little fun during the presentations. Yes, so yes, make a three-letter word.
Okay.
Or a four-letter word. Can I make one word? I just
Yes, you can.
word. Can I make one in class?
Yes.
So can I make? Yeah, it's THIS. This. Yes, that's the word I can see. And submit. Amazing. Ikhlas, how am I going with your game? Am I a good player? Perfect. Thank
Yes.
you so much. Thank you so much. Now moving forward to our mentors. Thank you so much. Please stop sharing the screen now. And Miss Faria, will start with you. Your thoughts on this amazing word game.
Yes, I really
Miss
enjoyed
Faria, yes.
Afan.
Thank you.
Audible.
Yes, you
Yes,
are.
you are audible
Okay,
now.
okay,
Please go ahead.
okay. Afan, I really liked your game and your project, and it's very good application or the project I can say for the brain practices and the brain exercises. And if we have some time and we can play and we can use this word game, and I really appreciate and good luck for your project.
Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Miss Fariha and Mr. Rahim. Mr. Rahim, your thoughts on the word game project presented by Afan.
No, presentation was perfect. I really enjoyed it. And, games are very fun to see. It's just that it allows you to go a little deeper to understand how it works. So that was really good. My suggestion would be that continue working on, but think about work with your teachers to say, how can I create a mobile or web app using the same concept? Because now you got the concept. Now you just need a delivery method. So it could be a desktop or it could be a web app, Android or iOS, or you can just create a pure HTML thing that can be used in all the things. So discuss with the teacher and say what are the next plan. But it was amazing. Good luck for future.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Mr. Rahim. Mr. Azhar, your thoughts on the word game project.
Afan, I would like to actually, call you superhero as well, because, you explained your project very well. You explained the code. You actually, clearly presented your logic as well. And the game was actually amazing. Games are not very easy to build. And at this age, actually, it's very, very, very difficult to build. So I would like to actually congratulate you and your teachers also to reach this far, and definitely keep on trying new things and learning new things. It will take you very far, inshallah, with that. Thank you so much.
Wow, such kind words, and you deserve it totally, Afan. Your next mentor is Mr. Raza. Mr. Raza, your thoughts on the project?
Yes, Afan, you are future coder. So it was amazing game with animation. So it's a good idea for students to play a game and learn rather than they are using phone or iPad, wasting their time. So they can play a game and they can have fun. So it's a mind exercise. It's amazing idea. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Amazing. That's amazing. Afan, how are you feeling with such amazing feedback coming for your project?
Good.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much for presenting it with such ease, such confidence, and also making a little fun for me as well, just to opting for it. And this was my answer on the game. And with that, we have our next participant coming up, and that is Mr. Ali Kamal. He's 10 years of age, yet again, like Afan, and he's also working on Python. He's made the project name is Fruit Monster and Snake Duo. That's a very, very intriguing, interesting name, Judges. Mentors, do you agree with me, Mr. Raza? That's an intriguing name, isn't it? Fruit Monster and Snake Duo. Afan, Mr. Ali Kamal, are you ready for your presentation?
Yep. So,
Perfect. So you can start sharing your screen.
okay, I'll do that. Can we open my...
And yes, it is shared. And please go ahead.
Okay, so I got it. So, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ali Kamal. When I first started building Fruit Monster, I wanted to make something both playful and challenging. The game begins simply, but soon you find yourself racing against time, checking on bright fruits and as they dart across the screen. Each level brings a new twist, and I remember the rush of figuring out how to make the game open window pop using
Tinker or how to add a surprise that would catch even me off guard. I use 6 different Python libraries to bring it all together. Today I will walk you through the parts of Fruit Monster that I'm most proud of. So let me open my Visual Studio. So this is my first level. So let me start from the beginning. These are my 6 libraries called TK, Inter, Random, Threading, and Time, and Win Sound and Import Error. This is where this is the window size, which is 25 by 25 tiles. This is the sound when to play and when to not. This is the screen shake when you at the end of the game. This resets the game when you lose. And this is how the snake moves. This is also the obstacle core, where the obstacles go. So this is where we make the body of the snake, the head and the eyes. And this is the window title. So you can have a look to the project. So basically it uses the arrow keys, but in the second level it uses both type of keys. So you basically eat the fruit with obstacles. Every 2 times you eat the fruit. The score is on the top left, and you can crash into your body and you can crash into the wall. And if you crash into the obstacles, the game is over. So let me give you an example. Let's say I go like this. The game is over and it has some sound. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah. This is my second level. It's called Snake Duo PY. This is level 2 for the original version. So my mom will be helping me do the double play. So as we start, both of us chase for the fruit. And then let's say one crashes, the whole game is over. So I crash into the bottom, and then yeah. So thank you for Affreej Learning helping me participate in this project. Thank you to Mr. Abdul Rahman and Miss Fatima, who are my trainers. Thank you to Miss Sarah, who's my Python teacher, helping me understand this more.
Thank you so much for presenting such an amazing game for us, Ali Kamal, and with such ease and confidence. That was amazing. Now you can please stop sharing your screen for us.
Okay.
And the second level, I was really impressed by it. Not just that you are playing up against to win, but you have an opponent, which is a dual snake as well. So that was great. Let's start with Mr. Azhar Hussain. Mr. Azhar, your thoughts on this fruit monster and the snake?
Uh, uh, it was, it is actually a great presentation. His game is, very interesting, and it actually took me back to my past when we used to play this game in our mobile. And good to see that he has another version of it, like the second part of it also,
Yeah.
where two actually bodies are there. I actually, appreciate that you actually take good care of collision detection, like with the walls and with the element itself. So your code was also, like good enough. So I think little bit, I think feedback I would if I would like to give it is just to actually improve your bit presentation side of it. Rest was actually just awesome. So thank you so much. It was really fantastic.
That's great. Thank you so much, Mr. Azhar. Kamal, you've got awesome. That was a really, really nice. Yes, your game is really interesting. With Fariha, what would be your take on it? How do you like the project?
Yes, Ali Kamal, I really liked your presentation. You were very confident, very calm, and you presented very well about all your game. And I'm very happy that you crushed the Candy Crush by your fruit monsters. That's a very interesting game, and you presented that you made a second level as well. That is very interesting. Then you went up to that level, and you can add on a second player in your game. Good luck and very nice presentation.
Thank you so much. That was Ms. Fariha. Ali, Mr. Raza, your thoughts on the project that was presented?
Ali Kamal, you presented with pauses and make it possible for everyone to understand. So it was a great project, and you used six excellent Python library, right? As you said,
Yeah.
so it's amazing. It was difficult to justify only the first part of the game, but you combined the second game as well. So that shows a great talent that you have. And I'm sure you are also a future coder.
Thank you.
And I appreciate your teacher, in such young age. They motivated and they prepared such tasking, games, and coding and preparing them to present its amazing efforts.
Perfect. Thank you
Thank you.
so much. And yeah, a prophecy, I would say, a fact for the future. Yes, Ali Kamal, you're a future coder. Mr. Rahim, what are your thoughts on the project presented by Ali Kamal? Yes.
So, yeah. So, Ali, I'll tell you, when the first time I touched computer, I was in grade 10, and I'm sure you're not in grade 10 yet. So, this is amazing what you have done, right? I like the flow that you have presented, the games and kind of the games is game is such an interesting area that it helps you to think it through and kind of go for it. Two suggestions here. I want to see level 3 and 4. Second thing is you must show this to your friend, those who are not in computing, and encourage them to come on this side. They don't have to become a coder. You are a genuine one, but they don't have to be. But at least encourage them to say, come and see what I have done, but in more humility, not as a that, oh, I have done this. No, I have done this. I would like to share. If you are interested, I can also tell you how you can learn it. So make sure you do that. So that's amazing.
Mhm.
Good luck.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, Mr. Rahim. And yes, Ali Kamal, how are you feeling right now?
Good.
Good. Yeah, you must feel good. And that was a really good game. As I said before, I'm really very intrigued by this second level. Do you have anything in your mind for the level 3 or level 4? And another
I
kind of
think
obstacle
I
or
should
something?
make level 3 that obstacles start spawning every block, and there can be 3 players, and they
Oh,
all
wow. Three
compete between.
players and
Yeah.
a block is also there. That was amazing. So your mind is right working there. And good luck with the game. And I hope that you make multiple levels of this one. Thank you so much, Ali Kamal. That was a great presentation. Now, our next participant is coming up, and that actually is Hamza Kamal, age 11, and he is also working on Python. The project that he is presenting today is called Weather Titan. And Hamza Kamal is with us. Hamza, can you please unmute your mic?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamza Kamal, and I'm currently
Wa
enrolled in
alaikum
the
assalam.
Python programming course. I'm,
Perfect,
present-
perfect.
I'm present.
Hamza, can you please share your screen first
Oh,
and
oh,
present your project? Yeah. I'm so happy with the energy that you're bringing in. It's so amazing. It's so
thank you.
upbeat. I love it.
Second.
Perfect. Now you can start presenting your project. Good luck, Hamza Kamal.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamza Kamal, and I'm currently enrolled in the Python programming course. And today I'm presenting my project, Weather Titan. I developed this weather application to provide users with convenient access to weather updates from any location. For this project, I used the system library, request library, date time, time zone, time delta, and the PyQt5 Qt widgets. If I scroll down here, um, you can see me. I just set up the code over here. You see all of this is also processing setting it up. And over here, I basically did all the CSS styling just to give a little butter up to the final outcome. And down here, you see I transferred my API key and my API URL to a variable, so it's much easier to call the API instead of just continuously typing the API over and over again. If I go down here, you see oops. Um, you see you see over here is the time, and I added the sunrise sunset, which comes in a different, I don't remember off the top of my head what it came off, what language it comes in, but I'm converting it to a string. Over here, this is what does the emoji returns. So because the API returns whether it is in a number, so this basically just checks if it's the numbers between this, or this to present what emoji it should present. And then if I go down here, you see it has a nighttime and then there's the sun. So basically, this is when, say if the place you search is daytime, it should return the sun, not a moon. And if say the place you search is night, it should not return the sun because you should get a night because it's night over there. And then this is how my final turned out. As you can see, it shows your current time, which matches with my time. And then if I search up Karachi, you see it shows if there's haze over there. See, it shows the temperature in Fahrenheit and Celsius, just so it doesn't cause
Hamza,
confusion.
Hamza, we are only seeing your coding screen, not the output.
Oops. Think I have to change that. Is this better?
Okay. Yes, we can see it now. Please start it again. Yeah.
As you can see, if I search up Karachi, it shows there's 75 degrees over there. You can see my time as well. You see there's haze over there, and it shows a smoky haze type of emoji. And then you see the times in Fahrenheit and Celsius, so it doesn't cause confusion no matter where your location is. And then you see the time, it shows the time over there and the time difference from here, which my screen says 9:18, which is correct. If you see down here, it shows the humidity levels, wind speeds, sunrise and sunset, and then say I search, and then I can search up a different place just to confirm. You see, this is where I'm currently located, and it accurately is showing my time. So, and then I also added error checking. Say you search some random place up, it's going to erase the rest of the data and show city not found. I would like to give credits to Affreej for letting me participate in this competition. I'd also like to give credits to my trainers, Ms. Fatima and Mr. Abdul Rahman, and my teacher, Ms. Sarah Hamid, for helping me with this project and teaching me Python. Thank you.
Perfect. That was a great presentation, Hamza Kamal, and was very confident and very, very amazing. Please stop sharing your screen and we'll move forward with the comments of our mentors. We'll start with Mr. Raza right now. Yes, Mr. Raza Kiani, your thoughts on Weather Titans. You are muted, sir.
Yeah, it was fantastic, and it is an excellent logarithm. Again, the data related things are very challenging. So it is excellent job. Then, like the choice of the city weather is another amazing thing that has been done by Hamza. Um, Hamza, do you know the difference between secondary and primary data?
Yes, I do. The primary data is basically the original data, and the secondary data is like basically data that's stored from the past, which it just gives it out to you. I decided to use primary data just to make my app more accurate compared to secondary data, which is not as accurate as primary.
Okay. Have you learned about if the data is misfed by the wrong one, not accurate information. And the people, if they suffer from the weather forecast, so do you have any solution in that app that is not misleading, that is going to be accurate weather forecasting?
I basically use the most common weather API, which is Open Weather Map. And with my research, that one was the best option because most most people who make weather applications use that weather API. So with my opinion, I thought that was the most accurate.
Hamza, from your conversation, I can say that um, you're really confident about your area where you are working. And really, your parents, your teachers, they did a lot of effort to prepare you. And you have a confidence to move ahead and you can do anything that you want. That is reflected by your confidence.
Thank
Best of
you.
luck.
Thank you so much. And that was a great feedback for you, Hamza Kamal. I am very sure that you're feeling amazing as well. Mr. Rahim, what are your thoughts on Weather Titan?
Hamra, it was great. I really like your upbeat kind of thing. So it's great. Few things. I just want to give credit to your teachers also because I noticed few other students use the same library, but the library that you use nobody has used it so far. So that was good. That even if the same teacher is teaching them, but they are trying. So I want to appreciate the teachers that they are mixing and matching kind of thing, right? I like the UI feel that you have given. It's like a sort of mobile ready kind of stuff. It looks really, and you do have eye for the graphics of the way you separated the Celsius and Fahrenheit with the pipe. I think that was really
I
good.
thought I thought
Go
that would
ahead.
be useful if because in my location there's Fahrenheit, but say somebody else from not from the US wants to use my weather app, they should be getting the correct information with not having to convert the Fahrenheit into Celsius. So I thought that
And
would
I
be a
can,
good
yeah, no, that was great because even today's Google Weather app or Apple Weather app, you have to switch to see the other side. But I really liked it, and I like the way you present. I'm more excited and very happy the way you have presented the layout. It's very clean design kind of thing. I would say continue doing it. As I mentioned to the other one, you can bring some videos to see from the same API. You can see how the forecast is going to look like. The one thing I would like, and I think one of the mentors mentioned, if you're using something that is available public, you must give them credit. So,
Oh,
for example, at the bottom, you could say the data is provided by them. So at least you appreciate that though I'm presenting it, but the hard work to gather this data, it's done by them. And this is one way to say to them, say, thank you.
inshallah, I'll do it in
Uh,
the next update.
yeah, it was great. Always give credit if you're using. So, for example, there could be about page where you say, I'm using following libraries created by these people. I just want to acknowledge their contribution because they worked on it so you could use it. And tomorrow, what you worked on it, somebody else can use it. So this way, the chain continues. Thank you.
Okay.
Perfect. That was a great feedback as well, and a good lesson on giving credit where credit is due as well. Miss Fariha, what are your thoughts and what are your comments on this amazing project by the Titan?
Well, Hamza, I loved your project name. That is Weather Titan. That is actually very catchy, and your interface is excellently displayed. And I love the use of emoji with the different temperatures and the things you displayed on your interface. That is very amazing. And already you told that Fahrenheit and the centigrade Celsius is differentiated at the interface. That is very much needed most of the time. You took care of that. That is commendable. And the presentation is excellent and very confidently you presented. I must appreciate. And as Sir Mr. Rahim told about the due credit given to the live data or the sources you are taking, it's very much appreciated and it's applicable, I think, in future users as well. And I appreciate your work. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Faria. That was really good. And yes, Mr. Azhar, your thoughts? We are eagerly waiting for it.
Hamza, very nice project, very intelligent project, very clean. Most of the programmer actually they do code actually very clean, but their interface are very bad. It's not like with you. Your interface was also equally good. You take actually good care of not only UI but also user experience. That is commendable. The only feedback I can give you is that actually use three different APIs, compare the data, and select the one which has two. So it will actually solve the data consistency kind of thing, that you will always get the correct data. So hats off to you. Take your project further. Nice
Thank
work.
you.
Good words. Yes, Hamza Kamal, how are you feeling right now about your project and hearing all these wonderful comments?
I feel really good, and it's making me wanna take my project further.
Perfect. Yes, I'm feeling good for you too, and that was great. Thank you so much. Moving forward, we have our next participant coming up, and it is Maria Tanveer. She's 11 years of age, and the platform she's working on is a Stretch. The project name is Catching Donut. So, Miss Maria, are you with us?
Yes. Hmm.
Perfect. Are you ready to present?
Yeah.
Okay, excited for it. Please start sharing your screen, and the screen is yours. Share your project.
Just 1 second.
Sure.
Okay. Hi, my name is Maria, and I'm going to be sharing my project. So basically, how the project starts is I move the button by using the right arrow key and the left arrow key. So let's play this again. So I observe that like the donut is falling, and then when it goes like back down, when it goes down, it comes back up. What I use for this code is that when it goes to Y position, that means it's all the way down. It goes to a random position set at the top. And again, when I need to restart the game, I put the same coding here and here. And when I press the screen flag again, it changes my score to 0. So let's get my score high up first so we can see. And we're gonna press green flag again. It changes my score to 0. This means that you can restart the game. Yeah, this means that you can restart the game. And if it is touching the button, so like if it's touching this, then it changes score by 1. And I also notice that it's not going through the button. Okay, and then like it makes a certain sound when it does touch the button. So it makes it clear that you actually touch the button. And when it does make the sound, it goes back to a random position at the top. And how I made this score is by I went to variables and then I made a variable and I named it score so that it's more clear that it is just a score. I would like to thank my trainer, Miss Fatima, or Farah, I forgot her name. And I would like to thank my teacher, Miss Aisha, and Afreej for letting me use this platform.
Perfect. That was a great presentation, I must say, Maria. And I would like you to stop sharing your screen now, and we'll move forward with our mentors and see what they have in stored in their comments for you. Mr. Raza, we'll start with you. What are your thoughts on the project that is just presented?
Yes, Maria, you have chosen Scratch according to your age. It's a good decision to start with. So all like programs that you engaged, the one you picked to move this donut up and down, that's amazing. I'm sure in future you are going to make it to deliver by drone technology. So you can add up drone easily with this program, and that would be quite amazing. So you did really effort, and I really enjoyed saw the movement of that, all icons in a proper way. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Azhar. That was really great and very, very encouraging as well. Mr. Azhar, your thoughts on the project?
That's great, Maria. Your project was actually, very, 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 uh, different one which I've seen so far, because you use actually block coding. So block coding actually, it's a test of your logic, and your logic, it was actually very good. You use, different blocks, and you created your project with so much actually, good looking, and like easy to use interface. So I would like to congratulate on that, and keep working on block coding also, because it actually improves your logical and analytical thinking. So, and that is actually a very good approach, in learning these kind of thing in very early age, like as you have. So, hats off to you. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Azhar. And we'll move forward to Ms. Fariha. Ms. Fariha, your take on by Maria.
Maria, I really enjoyed your project, and I like the name Catching Donut, and the presentation, the interface, and the cute colors you used. They are very good and very appreciable. And you presented very calmly and very confidently. Good luck for your future.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Fariha. And moving forward, yes, Mr. Rahim, your thoughts on the project?
So yeah, let me tell you this. Scratch is one of my favorite tools, because in my centers, what we do, we start with Scratch first, because that's, if you go in the background of how Scratch was started, is in MIT, a lot of, when first year computer science students come for learning, they were stuck in the syntax and thing, and they say this is wasting too much of their time, and they are not able to learn the logic, how to handle variables, how to do loop and if then and else. So they built, so because if you look at the URL, it says scratch.mit. So MIT created this software in 1980 for a purpose that first years of MIT computer science will learn the concepts of programming, because after that, everything becomes syntax. And it gets ugly too. So, from block, you go to Python, to Java, and it gets uglier and uglier and uglier. So I'm glad you're starting with Scratch. It's a really good tool. Keep learning. There are a lot of AI and MI machine learning thing built in Scratch. So clear your concept through Scratch, and then use the language of your choice to deliver a production or like commercial based softwares. But Scratch gives you that foundation, and I'm glad you chose that. So good luck, and it was a great, good presentation.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much for those words and amazing things. Yes, Maria, how are you feeling about the feedback from the mentors?
I'm feeling good.
Yeah, and there are a lot to do as well. So that was a really good presentation. Best of luck. Moving forward with our next participant is Malahat Rauf. She's 9 years of age, and she's also working on Stretch. And the project that she's presenting is the Catch Up with the Donut. Okay,
Um,
so
can I say something?
yes,
Uh,
please.
Mariam picked this game, and I also picked the same game, so I had to like choose a different game.
Okay. So would you
And
like to
I'm not,
present a different game right now?
yeah, I'll present a different game since Mariam has the same code like me.
Okay. So
So I'll
mentors,
present it.
as we can see, not just one but two projects in her pocket. Malihat, what is the name of the project that you like to present? Malahat, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you have a project in mind? Is it ready to be presented, or we can come back to you later on?
I can like present it. I just like try to like is my screen shared?
No, not Rao. Are you? You have to first tell me. Are you ready to share your project? The one to share. Hello?
Yeah,
Yeah, so Miss Malahat, do you have a project in mind to share? Or we can come back to you later on. Just think about it. If you don't want to share the one you have already submitted.
I can like share like
Okay, please do. Thank you.
okay.
The floor
I
is
have
yours. Take it away.
I have a game called like jump on the wave, and like he like he have like I like there's two like this is Ben, and there's two random uh, standard, and they are and Ben is and also like we're supposed to like press space that Ben will jump, and when we click on the group, like Ben will jump. I'll show you. Like it, I have a jumping game. I made it. Like like I made this jumping game because I wanted to create something like special, and I'm happy uh, that my teacher teach me how to make games before, since it was my first time before. And also like I'm like like the more she teaches, the more I'm starting to become better at it, because whenever I have the class of her, I would be excited to learn, because Scratch, I used to be thinking in my mind like this is going to be impossible. I'll never get better, but I am getting better in it.
Thank you so much. That was really nice, Malahat. And I have to say, on the 11th hour, the last minute thinking of presenting something else and then coming up and presenting it with such confidence. Thank you so much. Please stop sharing your screen, Miss Malahat.
Uh,
And let's take our mentor's comments. Yes, Mr. Azhar, your thoughts on the project that Malahat has just presented.
Milahat, you are very brave, and I would like to appreciate you for that. That at the very last moment you changed your idea and you presented something else with so much actually confidence. And I would like to suggest you that you should actually continue using this platform, build more games, and build your logic and grow more. Fantastic at very young age. I would like to, I don't have any bad feedback for you. Awesome, this is awesome. Thank you.
Perfect. That was really great. And yes, another awesome came from mentor Malahat. Congratulations. Yes, Mr. Rahim, your thoughts on the project that Malahat just presented.
So, Bernard, 12 marks out of 10 for on your bravery-ness that, you know what? Somebody used the same one. I'm going to go. So, congratulations. Keep that up. Ben is cute. You can keep working and create more levels of thing and use different objects that Ben has to jump through and change the background. So, yeah, continue your work and love to see the version 2s in near future.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rahim. And Miss Fariha, your thoughts, please.
Yes, Malahat, I appreciate your nice switch at nick of time, and that is very good. And I would like to see your game next time, the jumping game, you in more detail and the next level, inshallah. And I appreciate your work. Keep going and good luck.
Ahad, you are mute.
Okay. So I guess I am a little, I was speaking and we're moving forward to Mr. Raza Kiani. Thank you so much, Ms. Faria, for those encouraging words. Yes, Mr. Raza, your thoughts.
Yes, Malat, you did choose the character and you use some blocks, some variables to make it visible. So you brought the things, it was ready, whether it works or not, but you did your job to show a game that you can design. So you know the commands, you know the variables, you know the blocks, how to connect. So the visibility was really beautiful, and I'm sure you know how to go and play that one. So we are looking forward to see you again with a different game and with the complete task. Keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, Miss. That's for Mr. Raza, and again, encouraging words from him as well, Malahat. So, congratulations, Mr. Rahim. Your thoughts on the project?
Uh, no, I've given I was number two, so you've done. I've given a thing, but
Yes, yes,
Malhat, keep.
yes, Mr. Yes, Mr. Azhar, please carry on.
Yeah, I have also actually given my feedback,
I
and
guess I'm having a glitch coming up because more of my mentors are coming up to me. I guess all the judges, the mentors have shared their comments, right? Perfect, Malahat. I guess I am the one who is lacking the confidence which you have just showed. So that was really great, and that was a really, really amazing presentation from your end. And you can exactly see, I am very, very happy, and yet as well, I'm thinking about how you just pulled it off. That was really amazing. And with that, we are moving forward with our next participant, and that is Sinwan, age 9, and the platform he's working on is Python. The project name which he is presenting is Idea Generator. So excited for you, Sinwan. Are you ready to present your project?
Yes. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sinwan and I'm 9 years old. And today I will present my app. First is the
That was
library
amazing.
GUI, which is called Tkinter. Next
Yeah.
are the
Sinwan,
ideas of games. Yes.
Sinwan, can you please share your screen
Yes.
and proceed? Thank you. Yeah, yeah, we are ready. Start sharing your screen and keep going with that confidence.
Is it shading?
It is
Is it
sharing.
shading?
It is in the process of it. Let's just let it appear first. Okay, now it's sharing.
Okay. Okay. So then are the ideas which are games, apps, challenges, and stories, which are stored in dictionaries. Then it's the state, which upgrades your points as the next level and allows dark mode to like be shown. Then it's the
Mhm.
theme, which is like the colors of light and dark mode and how they look like. Then it's the animation. It will show the text and it will float up like uh, one Y every second. Then it's the logic, which is the core part, like the all the animations, the text, and how it will work, and like how will the dark mode add on. Then is the UI, which is the screen of the app, like the size, the text of everything. Then it's like then there's a command for adding a custom idea. Then it's the label for points, levels, output, etc. This updates the stats. This applies the night and dark theme, and this like changes the background. Let I will show my app now.
Please do.
Okay, this is my app. You can choose between game, app, challenge, and story. For now, I'll use game. You can change between light mode, dark mode, and you can also generate ideas which will give you 10 points, and every 50 points you can reach the next level, and you can even add your custom idea. For example, I just write hello,
I added. It says the customer ID has been added. Now it will show. You see, it shows. I would like to thank Affreej Learning for letting me present my app and also my trainer Abdul Rahman and Fatma Sayed and also my teacher Sarah Hamid. Thank you.
That was amazing. Thank you so much, Salman Rehan, regular at our FHE learning events as well. Moving forward with your project, and let's see what our mentors have for it. And I'll cross my fingers so that I know which mentor is already given the comments. So, Mr. Rahim, let's start with you.
Siddhant, it was good. I really liked the coding. I must appreciate your teachers. They are teaching you how to write comments because that's really important. Because after 3 months, if you look at your code, you should be able to read what you have written. So that's really good practice. Please, please, please keep that practice. I like the UI. It's very clean and kind of thing, and I look forward for version 2. Keep up the good work.
Thank you so very much for those comments, Mr. Rahim. And let's ask Ms. Fariha. Ms. Fariha, your thoughts and your take on the project presented by Sinwan.
Yes, Salman, I really appreciate your confident presentation, and it is nicely presented and described to all the participants. And I liked the interface of your app, and it's very well descriptive and very well understood by the interface as well. Keep it up. I must appreciate, and good luck.
Such encouraging words, Sinwan. That is great. Mr. Azhar, your thoughts on the project.
Salman, I would like to appreciate that you picked up Python at a very young age and your code quality was very good. And as Rahim mentioned that you used, a better actually approach by adding up comments. So, and I would like to suggest you to always follow this practice throughout your life. And, like your interface was also good. You use actually variables and these kind of things in arrays and these things. So just keep on learning and improving your projects on daily basis. That's it. Just the only suggestion I can give you right now. Good work, Sinwan.
Such amazing words again, Sinwan. And yes, Mr. Raza, your thoughts on the project presented by Sinwan.
Yes, Sinman, you explained your ideas clearly. It's a great use of function and modular code. That's really unique idea that it's generating something. So may I ask you one question, if you can, it's not important to reply and, to give your opinion about it. Can you give us one
Okay.
example? Can you give us one example how to generate any scientific model with your idea generator?
So you like any what you call it? What are you saying? Can you
You
repeat
have
that?
your app
Can you
is
do
idea generator. So,
Yeah.
can you apply this to any scientific innovation? Like your this app can give us one example that you can generate this one, like any physical model.
I know. I'm not sure.
So your idea is good. I think you can keep working on it. So, like we need a new innovation. So your topic is really, really innovative. I think you can apply further on it. Okay. Thank you very much. Good luck.
Thank you so very much, Mr. Raza, and that was really good. Let's move forward. And yes, an amazing, amazing presentation by Sinwan. Thank you so much, Sinwan. Moving forward, we have our next participant, and that is Mr. Muhammad Umar. Yes, Muhammad Umar is working on actually three platforms: HTML, CSS, and Java. He's 14 years of age, and the project he's presenting today is a mini tube to all the live audience watching the Techno Show Season 8 at Affreej Learning platforms right now. Our next participant is Muhammad Umar. And Umar, are you ready to present?
Yes.
Perfect. And we are so excited to see what your presentation is. So, the screen is yours, the time is yours. Take it away.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Umar and I'm 14 years old. So this is my code. I used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is the CSS in which I used in which I styled the text, shapes, and the videos. Like this is the body, position, display, padding, cursor, background, gap, and then all the positions and the width. And now this becomes a HTML. The HTML is this is the heading, mini tube, and then I added the icons of the like notifications, and I also added the sidebar, home, trending, subscriptions, and library. And then I added the like and subscribe and save button and the CC button. And then I also of the video I added the playback speed 0.5x, 1x, 1.25x, 1.5x, 2x. And then I also added the quality 1080p, 720p, and 480p. Now here's come the JavaScript in which I added all the videos, and I also added the titles, and then I also added the thumbnails and all how many people liked and subscribed. So this is all. Now let me show the output. Yes. So let me.
Yeah, take your time. It's all good.
This.
Would you like to give it another go?
This is here. Here is the title, the mini tube, and this is the video. We can click on it. Here we can see. We can also like video.
Okay, Omar, I guess the screen that
Yes.
is being shared is not the one that you're presenting from. Can you check which is it shared properly?
Okay, wait.
Because we can see unable to launch browser. That is the window which we are seeing right now.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
all
you
good.
know,
It's all good. This is amazing. Go
this
ahead.
one is a mini tube, and there is video we can live here, and it will come to the library, and then we can also subscribe the video. Then when we'll subscribe, it will come to the subscriptions, and we can also increase the speed like 2x. Now we can see how much fast is the video. We can also change the quality from here 480p. Then we can see the quality has dropped. Then we can also save it is saved to the library. We can also increase the volume and like this here. We can also download the video from here. This is all. I want to thank Sir Rizwan who teach me, and I want to thank Miss Fatma and Sir Abdul Rahman who trained me, and Affreej who gave the platform to present this. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, Muhammad Umar. That was a really, really good presentation from your end, and the way you tackled everything, that was really great. Let's start with Ms. Fariha. Ms. Fariha, your thoughts on the mini tube and the project that is presented by Muhammad Umar.
I really liked the idea, Muhammad Umar, and you took a very great care about the speed, quality, titles, thumbnails, and the very many details and the nitty gritties that is actually commendable and appreciable. I must appreciate your teachers as well. And at this very small age of 14 years, it's a very good work to come up with. Good luck, and I appreciate your work.
Oh, thank you.
Encouraging words, Muhammad Umar. That's great. Yes, Mr. Azhar, your thoughts on the project? Yes.
However, I would like to actually appreciate your approach that you actually again selected a different stack, like you created a like a web page which with client handling using JavaScript. JavaScript is actually very tough to handle, especially in this setup. So again, it's very good. Your UI was very clean. Your code was also very clean. So, like hats off to you and keep on actually improving your skills because web development and these things are in great demand. So, that is the only feedback I can give you right now. Your presentation was really very good. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
very much, Mr. Azhar, and such again great words for coming from both the mentors who have given comments so far. Mr. Rahim, what are your thoughts on the presentation?
The presentation, I would go 10 out of 10. So it was really good. Good confidence. Keep that up. I looked at the code. I think you mixed it three things, which is perfect. This is how you start when you do HTML kind of thing, that you write everything in one file. But you have to think about as a next level, you go try to separate them out and reference the file. So for example, you can put CSS in a different file. You can put a JavaScript in a different file. And at the top of the HTML, you just include them. So this way, the structure of the code is much cleaner to use structure, and you can reuse also. The UI was clean. I really liked it. You need to think this way that there are two types of people. One, that if somebody has done, I'm just going to make a copy of it. Or I'm looking at this. This is really good and I really like it. I really appreciate it. But there are four or three things that I like that I could add, and I will show that in my product. And that's give you advantage. So when you're looking at this kind of products, look at it like, what are the things that are missing that I can make? Can I make the UI better? Can I make the interface better? Can I make the experience better? The last thing is downloading. You have to be very careful because um, many of these videos probably are copyright, so you may not be able to download unless it's been given you explicit permission that yes, you can download the video. But I understand that you are only showing the functionality that your product has, the download capability, but keep those things in mind. But again, keep it up. It was great.
Perfect, amazing. Thank you so much, Mr. Raza. Your thoughts on the project?
Muhammad Umar, I appreciate that you
Yes.
have used multiple programs for Minitube smartly. So I like how your database was linked with the animation. So it's an excellent presentation. And I think it was different, and people, they will think about and they will go for such kind of Minitube linking database with the animation. That would be quite amazing. Keep it up.
Thank you so much, Mohammed Umar. How are you feeling right now? Such a praise that you have got from all our mentors.
Good.
Good, yeah, perfectly. Thank you so much for doing this and presenting it in such with such ease and confidence. And yet again, as a mentor said, that coming up with a new way of presenting, which is already is existing in a way, and throwing in your own creativity through it. As in the beginning of the session, we have said yet all the projects are dealt with such a creative mindset as well. And thank you to the trainers for bringing that up as well. Moving forward, we have our next participant, and the next participant is Malik Musa. His age is 11, and he is working on a stretch. The project that Malik Musa is presenting is GTAB. So, Malik Musa, are you prepared? Are you ready to present?
Yes.
Perfect. So, we are ready. Please start sharing your screen. The screen is yours, the time is yours. Take it away.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I made a game called G-Tab. G-Tab is a zombie shooting game. the zombie shooting game, it's like you kill 50 zombies. If this counter goes to 50, you win. Okay, for the movements, you can see but you can change X in multiple ways. You can change X and Y, so you can do easy movement. And for the bullet, we can say for the bullet, for like to not make it contract with each other, we can say that we can wait 0.2 seconds so it does not go that fast. For the bullet code, we can say when I start as a code, when I start as a clone, you're gonna go to the player. It's gonna go 20 steps, and then if it's gonna touch the edge, it's gonna get deleted. We put 0 seconds so it does not get like lagging. It does not get like lag. Zombie, we can say when it's created, when you create a clone, it's gonna wait 2 seconds. So you can change the difficulty by making this like what I put on medium, so it's 2. And okay, so you can use this code to make it that it spawns in 4 random places. To reset, pick from random random 1 to 4. We told the code what are 1 to 4. We told them what's the code. We added these codes, so top, left, right, down. It's gonna be spawning there. So we can say for the game over, it's just gonna be hidden, so we don't see it when we're playing. And you're gonna show when received. And then you won's just gonna see when I receive, it's just gonna say and go in front of me. So it's gonna say when you kill 50 people. I could make it 20, but we can make it easier طبعا. So you can see up, down, left, right. You can shoot if you can kill zombies, and the code goes up. So when it killed, it hits, you die. And if you kill 50, you win. But if you die, it will say game over. And what's called? I also like to thank some people. Like to thank Ms. Fatima and Mr. Rahman and e-learning for letting me join the competition. Thank you.
Thank you so very much for that amazing presentation and a zombie killer app called G Tab. Thank you
Yeah,
so much, Malik Musa, for that project and presentation. Please stop sharing your screen and we'll move forward with our mentors' esteemed comments. Mr. Raza, your thoughts on G Tab?
Yes, Malik Musa, that was quite amazing. On Scratch, you have tried every single block, like events, sensing, variable,
and I made the
operations,
block.
control, sound. You know, like in the beginning, I thought you have just less kind of a block, but later I have seen, so you used all. So you have a skill how to use them perfectly. And I think according to your age, that's the good start. I'm sure you will be able to make more interesting games in future. Keep it up.
Yeah, I made Geometry Dash from scratch.
That's really amazing to know.
That was great. Thank you so much and loving the confidence. Yes, Mr. Azhar, your take. How do you feel about the project?
The game was actually very interesting. I would like to have the copy of it. Your game was very intuitive, and I would like to play this game myself. And I actually would like to appreciate that, you explain the block very, very, very confidently, and you arrange the block also, like in a very, very, very efficient manner. So even the people who are of bigger age than you, they are not able to do that. So I would like to appreciate you for that. And keep on building these kind of amazing games. I like that project.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Mr. Azhar. Yes, Ms. Fariha. What are your comments for the project GTAP?
Yes, Malik Musa. I really liked your project, and the more important thing is that you explained very well. Your mind mapping regarding the explanation was very clear. You explained everything that how to do that and how to cope with the zombie and when it will be over. And that is very good and commendable. You know your game very well. And interface or the display of the game is very calm and very good. And I must appreciate your work and confidence. Keep it up and good luck.
Thank you so very much. Encouraging words for you, Malik Musa. And yes, Mr. Rahim, what are your take? What is your take?
Malik, yeah, no, thank you. Malik, it was really good presentation. And as Farias said, that you knew the depth of your code. You know where things are on the screen. Tell me two more things you're going to add to this game. What are the two more things you're going to add?
If because I didn't have enough time because I was like had quizzes and those stuff. I was gonna add the health bar, but I tried it. Then I had the quiz, and then I forgot to save.
Uh-huh.
I was gonna add the health bar, like you have 5 health. There's gonna
Uh-huh.
be like you have health bar. Like if the zombie touches you, you're gonna be invincible for like 3 seconds, and then like you have like four hearts left. These hearts, if it goes to zero,
Yeah.
it's gonna fail. You're gonna die.
No, this is amazing. See, that's what I want to look at. You have thought through about the game and you taking step by step to build the game. Continue the work. This is amazing.
And the second one, I wanted to make 3 different game modes. Like I said like the zombie, like I put on medium. Like I put two. The zombie was spawned in two. That's
Mhm.
medium. But in the what is it called? In the easy is gonna be like 5 or something. It's gonna take five
Perfect.
seconds to
Perfect.
spawn. And the
Thank you so
hard
much.
is gonna take 1 second, and there's gonna be like 3 different types of zombies.
Oh, amazing. Love your enthusiasm. Keep it up.
Yes, exactly. All the score for the confidence, enthusiasm, and developing such an amazing game as well, and presenting it with such ease. Thank you so much, Malik Musa, and thank you so much for the team mentors for their comments and encouraging words. Miss Faria, are you trying? Would you like to say something?
I already commented and gave
Yes,
my
yes.
point
I
of
know.
view.
I just got the finger that you have your hand up. So
No, it's okay. No, I don't want to.
You are mute, Ahad.
yes, and such amazing talent that we are witnessing here at TechnoShow Season 8 right now. With that, moving forward to our next participant, that is Hamza Amir Khurshid. He's 17 years of age and he's using Python to present the project Adaptive Study Planner and Productivity Tracker. So, Hamza, I would like to know, are you ready to present your project?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Perfect, and we are ready for you as well. So please start sharing your screen and take it away.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen. Please go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamza. I'm 17 years old and I'm studying A2 right now, and this is my project for TechnoShow. So, I've coded an adaptive study planner in Python using object oriented programming, and also I've used a few other libraries. So, I'm just going to explain my code first, and then I'm going to run it and then show you how it works. So, yeah, I've used tkinter and JSON and also datetime in OS, but tkinter and JSON are the main uh, libraries that I've used for this project. Tkinter is for making the GUI. So I've used a few classes and they have a few methods each. So I'll just explain roughly what each block of code does. So you can see there's each method does a few things like saving the data, loading it, and also this is for the window and how to design the GUI, and I've used tkinter for that. So you can see there's like buttons and what each button does. So I've added a few comments here and there. So, and also here are the other functions for adding new topics and new subjects. I'll just show you that when when I run the program. So, and at the end we just call we just uh, call the main program. So without further ado, I'm just gonna run the file, and this opens. So it's a basic window. It's not too amazing looking, but it does the job. So as you can see, there's a on this side you can add new subjects and add new topics inside each of the subjects. So I'll just say maybe I can study like 5 hours per day, and it shows the date right now. So I'll just say I have a physics exam coming up, so I'll just write physics, and the exam is on the 23rd, so I'll just write that. Yeah, and then I'll just say maybe it's a moderately difficult subject, so I'll just write 4 out of 5, and then it's gonna add the subject, and then I can select physics over here, and I can add a few topics like maybe magnetism, Newton's laws maybe, and I can say maybe okay, each topic takes like 6 hours to do each, so I'll just do that. And then the priority schedule opens here, so you can see I have 9 days left until my exam, so I can either do the task right now or I can postpone it. So I'll just say okay, I don't feel like doing it today, so I'll just leave it till tomorrow. So it's gonna update, and now okay, I feel like doing it today, so and then I've done it. But today I can only study 5 hours every day, and each topic takes 6 hours, so it's subtracted. So there's 1 hour left. So I'll just do this, and then I'll finish my other task. And now in like 4 days I've done it. So yeah, that's my project. So yeah, I would like to take this time to thank Affreej and TechnoShow for giving me the opportunity to present my project. It's a really good event for like showcasing your coding skills, and I also would like to thank my trainers, Miss Fatima and Mr. Abdurrahman. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you so very much, Hamza. That was a great presentation and a very, very, very good UI on your project as well. Let's move forward with our mentors and let's see what they have in store for you. Yes, Mr. Rahim, what would you like to say about the project?
No, the project is very interesting, so I must appreciate this. But can you tell me two new ideas that it's in your bucket that you want to implement?
Yeah, certainly, because I didn't have much time to like do it because like I had some exams going on the side. So
Totally
first
understand.
I wanted to add like not only for studies but for other tasks like general tasks. So we can add time limits. We can add like some kind of priority. Like you can stack them in order of priority. So like if there's something very important, so it'll take uh, it'll take priority over other tasks. So we could also do that, but
Mhm.
due to the time constraints, I couldn't do that.
Okay, no, perfect. And my suggestion would be if you can do group sharing here, that you're studying
Yeah,
in
like
groups
cloud.
as a group.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, like we like how Notion works. We can
Yeah,
implement that here
exactly,
as well.
exactly, exactly,
Yeah, yeah.
exactly,
Like
exactly.
that's also possible.
Perfect. No, good job. Keep up the work.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you
you.
so very much. And that was the first thing that came to our mind. Yes, can we do a group study session on this? And that was clearly very well pointed out, Mr. Rahim. And yes, moving forward, Mr. Azhar, your thoughts and what you would like to say about the project?
Yeah, Hamza, you use actually object-oriented programming. So that is actually, I would like to, appreciate you for that. Object-oriented programming is actually, it's not that easy to learn in that age. So that is good thing you did. Your interface is also very clean and, very clean and tidy. Its UX is also very good. So the only feedback I just wanted to give you is actually use comments very frequently in your code base so that you can understand it very easily later. So that's it from my side.
Thank you
Congrats.
so very much. And a very, very profound suggestion as well, Hamza. How are you feeling right now?
Oh, I feel great because like I'm getting
Yeah, you
feedback
like
from
it?
these
Perfect.
experts.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Let's see what Miss Faria has for you. Yes, Miss Faria, your take on this amazing project.
Yes, Hamza Amer. I really liked the titles, the productivity tracker and adaptive study planner. It's very attractive being so innovative at your age that you coined these terms and used it to plan your project. I must appreciate, and I really like the perspective behind that you actually made a planner to make studies or the productivity tracking easy at your for your peers and for you and for the students like of your age. And it's very good. And I must say that it's very clear and friendly interface for anyone who can use it very easily. And it's like a planner that can blink on and off and to give you the indication that something is coming up and something is left behind. So it's a very good thinking behind it and easy to use and good to use and nicely planned. I must appreciate your effort and your project. Good luck.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Thank you so very much. And yes, I would request Hamza, please stop sharing your screen. We'll move forward to our next mentor, and that is Mr. Raza. Yes, Mr. Raza, your thoughts on the project?
Yes, Hamza, the topic is very touching. It's a need, it's a need of the students. So you went a bit fast. So I think next time you are going to present with low speed. The programming is excellent. Um, this app is a good reminder to catch up with remaining topics, homework, whatever. So I wish if you can add more languages option in this app for people, those they don't know English, they can get benefited from this one. It's amazing idea. Keep it up.
Perfect. Thank you so very much. And Hamza, yes, great work and a very, very well presented project. Thank you so very much. Yes, the project that Hamza presented was Adaptive Study Planner and Productive Tracker. Moving forward to our last but not the least, the very 14th participant, and that is Ishal Mohsen. Age is 16, and Ishal is working on Python, presenting the project name Physics Uncoded. So, Ishal, how are you doing? Are you ready to present?
Hey, yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, you're very much audible, and we are ready for you. You can share your screen and present your project. Take it away. Yes, and in a few minutes, in a few seconds, yes, here we go. Please start your presentation.
Yeah. So my name is Isham Hussain, and I'm an A2 student studying computer science. Today I'll be presenting a web-based application using the Python library Streamlit. So basically, Streamlit is an open source Python library that helps create, share, and deploy interactive web applications without needing to know the complex tools like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, let's look into the code now. This is all the parts where I imported the modules. This is the page configuration. And over here, I added the sidebar navigation. These are the features and the tools that can be utilized. This is the home page. Okay, so this is the AI chatbot code. Now, what I essentially did was I constrained an external AI assistant using curated A-level physics context. This means that the chatbot is specialized for A-level physics by restricting the responses to syllabus-aligned content and providing related contextual prompts, right? So the training is basically the controlled prompting. Next, we have the notes. Over here, basically, I linked the path to where the file is saved on my computer to the front end of the user. Past paper uses a similar approach. For the quizzes, I'll show you that directly when we look into the application. Yeah, so the study planner uses weightage, which I assign to the difficulty of the topic, and the number of days until the exam depends on the number of free days you get. And next we have lectures, which I later on plan on introducing like different plans like premium plan, so that will be included in that. For the grade prediction, again, it uses weightage to grades like what the planner did. And then we have the about us in the context page. Let's look into the app now. So this is the app. It's called Physics Uncoded. And this is the homepage where all the features are listed. Next, we have the AI chatbot. As you can see, the database that I added, it basically saves the chat history. And then we have the notes. Over here, you can select the level, AS or A level. For example, I choose A level. You can search the topic too. For example, I choose magnetic fields, right, which I previously searched for. Now, basically, it will give the topic over here, right? Now, if I just remove this, I can search all the topics from here. If I choose circular motion, I can download the notes. And you can see that it downloaded the notes over here. As I said, past papers uses a similar approach. You can download the question paper, you can download the mark scheme. And then we have the quizzes. Oh, this is error. I need to refresh the page. Okay. Let me just go to the quizzes. Yeah. So you can select the level again, and then you can select the topic. And so, for example, if I choose the correct answer for the first question and the wrong answer for the second question, and then once I submit the quiz, it gives you your correct answer, and then the question you answered wrong, and then along with the correct answer and your final score. Next, we have the lectures. As I said, this will not be included in the standard plan. And then we have the study timetable. Basically, you can alter all these according to your preferences, and then it will generate the timetable. The grade prediction. This basically, you can choose your AS score, and it will predict the A2 grade on the basis of your AS results. And then we have the About Us and the Contact Us page.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Yeah, that is pretty much all. So your question would be, why will people even use my app and not like other more, known stuff like Khan Academy? You see, when you're making an application or a tool, an important factor to keep in mind is who you're facilitating, right? What demographic you're targeting. So this is why, as a student studying A-level physics, I noticed there are near to non-reliable resources for the set subject. I have not yet found any trustable notes anywhere on the internet. So the subject is probably the biggest issue for an A-level student like myself. And that's why even Khan Academy and known institutions like those have certain aspects to improve on. So besides, this is just a basic plan and a structure for a greater idea. I would like to
That is
thank Affreej for giving me this opportunity to showcase my project, and my teacher, Ms. Farah, and the trainers like Ms. Fatma and Sir Abdurrahman for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so very much, Ishal, for sharing that and presenting it with such professionalism, I would say, not just thinking about the project itself and the technicalities of it, but also the business aspect of what you have created, as well as one evident thing which gave birth to multiple inventions where we are today right now, because you find a problem that you're facing yourself and you find a solution for it and then present it to the world, and that problem is resonated by millions of people and they start seeing it. So yes, you found a loophole, you found a problem, and you created a solution for it. I would like to open the floor for the mentors now. Mr. Azhar, your thoughts on the project. Thank you so much for closing the screen as well. Mr.
Vishal,
Azhar,
you did, yeah, Vishal, you did great job. Really, you uncoded the whole physics. So that has a lot of categories and varieties here. Is everything is there, nothing is missing what I have seen. So my question to Ishal, would it be free, Ishal, this whole thing?
I did mention including the standard plan and the premium plan. Like, for example, lectures would obviously be like included in the premium plan, which will not be basically free. But the notes, for instance, will be.
Oh, wow.
So who is going to prepare the notes and stuff, like if it's not
I
free?
have the notes, and I'm like an A-star student, so I think they're pretty reliable.
Okay.
Okay.
Love the confidence.
Yeah. So one more thing, like the private tutors and the tutoring centers, they will not be happy if you will provide everything in a very low price. So how are you going to justify when people they will feel unhappy you are providing everything at one place?
That's how business is, right? They got a new competitor.
Guys, I think the show season 8 just turned into Shark Tank, and we have a great pitcher with us right now. Ishal of the conference. Mr. Raza, please carry on.
Yeah, Vishal, it's really amazing, like it's time taking, the whole thing is not easy. Even the quizzes and providing with the answer and feedback, it's amazing. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Thank you so very much. Yes, Mr. Rahim, your take on the physics uncoded.
No, it was amazing. So let me start with that. Presentation was excellent kind of thing. The coding was good. The UI was great. It was much cleaner, no glare. Um, from the programming perspective, I just want to give you some idea if you want to go further with this idea. I noticed you always have to keep your code and your data separate. What I noticed that in your code, you hard coded everything. So tomorrow, if you have to add, you have to constantly go back in your code. The idea would be that you have your database in the back where you keep all the content menus and thing. You create an interface just for the back end people so they can go and update, but your code is not touched. And that will
Yeah,
bring
that's true.
efficiency, and it will also allow you to expand it a lot faster. So that will be my thing. As Raza mentioned, think about copyrights and those things. So otherwise, lawsuits are coming. Be ready for it.
Okay. Well, a warning and a very, very profound suggestion as well, Ishal. How you taking it? You like it?
Yeah, it's motivating me to keep making more
I
stuff.
guess there is, yeah, perfect. That's great. Yes, Mr. Azhar, your take on physics uncoded.
Actually, I really enjoyed, the feedback from the, mentors, especially with, Mr. Rahim, what he said, and, Mr. Raza also. So I enjoyed the conversation with that. And also, I enjoyed the confidence of, Ishal presenting her project. Your
Yeah.
project is actually, it's a good enough to actually be confident on it. So, and, again, I would like to mention that that project also designed with the problem in mind. So that is why that such kind of projects can eventually become something real life solution. So keep on working on it, and make it a like a useful solution for students. Hats off to you, Isha.
Ah,
Thank you.
such amazing words for you and your project, Ishal. That's great. Thank you so much, Mr. Azhar. Miss Fariha, yes, your take and your thoughts about physics uncoded.
I was waiting for my turn to appreciate Ishal. After the mentors were giving the best comments for you, I really appreciate and loved your self-confidence and the spike of entrepreneurial
Yeah.
thinking behind it. That's really commendable that you researched very well and you did a comparative analysis with Khan Academy as well. That is very appreciable that you are quite clear in your mind what you are presenting in front of everyone. That is very good. And the use of AI chatbots is a great use in your project. I must appreciate it's very self-explanatory. And a few points you mentioned that history must be saved and the downloading of the notes is available. It's very user friendly thing for the students. You explained it very nicely, and the interface and the use of your project is very easy for all the students. I really appreciate and good luck for the future. And I can see a very good entrepreneur in
Yeah.
the form of Ishal. Thank you very much.
Yes, yes, for
Mhm.
sure. Thank you so much, Ms. Faria. And yes, Ishal, and also I think all the mentors and the Affreej team as well is going to agree with me. Is one of the most professional looking UI as well. It was very clean. It was very attractive in a very subtle way. That was really amazing. And Ishal, I was actually hoping for this to come up, so I'm going to say it now. I'm going to float an idea right now, and let's see if it lands or not. Okay, Ishal and Hamza, would you like to collaborate with one another with both your projects? Right, Hamza, you have a project where students can come and do study in a group study session. And Ishal, you're providing the notes. Is there a possibility of collaboration here?
Why not? I actually needed a stronger algorithm like Hamza's for my study planner.
That's great, Hamza. What is your take on this?
Yeah, of course, yeah, it's possible.
Perfect, perfect. And Affreej team is always there for you guys to get connected and work on your project. And yes, this is what happens at Techno Show Season 8, which we are witnessing at the moment. And that's how Affreej is treating and preparing the students that they have. And with that, with this amazing declaration, we are officially at the end of our session. And all the kids, all the participants have presented their projects with such confidence, with such ease, with such a way that it was so the communication, the creativity, the technical aspect of it was really very amazing. So once I would like you all to please unmute your screens and mute your microphones, and please clap for yourself and for the mentors and everybody who is on board right now. That was a really, 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 really good event that we have witnessed today with such great energy, such innovation that we have seen today. And thank you so very much, kids. And you guys are the future. And I am so very hopeful after seeing this event, after witnessing it, that the future is really bright, really very bright. So with that, there are a few names that we have not mentioned yet, but the students, the participants have mentioned them, and I would like to give credit as the mentors have said. Credit should be given where is due. We have Miss Fatma Sayyed, the communication trainer, and with that we have Abdul Rahman Ali. These are the trainers, the force behind the students who have brought this amazing event together. So I would like you guys to please unmute your mic and please share your thoughts of this incredibly successful event that we have witnessed. Mr. Fatma, Miss Fatma, let's start with you.
Hey, hello everyone. So first of all, I'm super, super excited, like, to see how everyone had performed. And I think they all did an amazing job. Everyone's projects were so good. And it was just fun to work with
Yeah.
them throughout the week and practice, presenting these. So I enjoyed, my role here and I enjoyed their company. Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much for all the training that you have provided the participants, and that was really great. Thank you so much, Ms. Fatma Sayed. Abdul Rahman Ali, yes, Mr. Abdul Rahman Ali, thank you so much for the training that you have given, and it is resonating with us. We are actually seeing it come to life. Please say a few words, your thought about this amazing session that we have just witnessed.
Okay, thank you very much for having me on here. So, similarly to what Ms. Fatima stated, I'm very proud to see what these kids have been able to do, what they've been able to achieve, and that how they're able to very adequately express the greatness that their projects are via their presentation skills. When it comes to introducing it, when it comes to explaining it to everybody around here, and when it comes to even answering the questions, because many of them have done a really good job in being to the point and being quite frank and not beating around the bush, as they say,
Yeah.
to their responses. So it's really great to be a part of this thing. It's really amazing to see everybody develop and showcase their skills. And with that, I hand it back over to you.
Thank you so much, Abdul Rahman. And yes, yes, it's all the hard work that makes one
Guys,
thing
something?
very, very successful. I am hearing some voice who is saying that. Okay, I guess there was something, but it's not there anymore. We have another name, another person to celebrate right now, and that is Miss Halima, the administrative and event coordinator. Miss Halima, please share a few words. We have been in talks regarding the event, and you have given your heart and soul to it, like the trainers as well. Please share your thoughts on this Techno Show Season 8.
Thank you so much, Ahad. It has been a pleasure witnessing all these outstanding presentations. And I would definitely like to thank everyone who contributed in making TechnoShow Season 8 a success, including our dedicated team, the trainers, our host, Ahad Ali Siddiqui, the mentors for their amazing feedback, the participants who put in tremendous effort to transform their ideas into reality, and of course, the parents and the viewers who have joined us on YouTube. So I deeply appreciate each one of you for being a part of this journey. Over to you, Ahad. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, Miss Halima. And yes, let's have a final notes from our judges, and then we're going to go to Miss Farah and see how she opened the session, and also take her concluding notes as well. Let's start with you, Miss Fariha. Overall, the session, the Techno Show Season 8, your thoughts, feelings about it, and how do you see these skills moving forward in the future?
Thank you very much, Ahad, and thank you again, Farah, for inviting me over. She promised me that I'll not get bored, and it is totally fulfilled. Your promise is totally fulfilled by your word. And I really enjoyed listening and visualizing the amazing projects of these small kids and their mind-blowing minds. I must say, mashallah, they are doing very well, and I must appreciate Affreej for providing them the platform for showcasing their projects, and I must appreciate all their teachers and the mentors who are working hard with them to present their thoughts and minds. I know it's not easy to work with these teens and their minds up to their mark. It's commendable for the teachers and the mentors to cope with them and guide them and support them to represent with coding and their projects. And I really enjoyed. It's a few hour get together gathering with beautiful minds, and I must appreciate the presence of the learned mentors as well throughout the show, and I learned a lot from everyone. Thank you very much for having me over.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ria. We are glad to have you, and it was truly a pleasure for us. With that, Mr. Azhar, your final take, your concluding notes for Techno Show Season 8.
First of all, I would like to thank Farah and that she invited me, and definitely I would like to appreciate her and Afreej and you all who are actually behind the show, who are running this thing. I would like to appreciate also the instructors and the mentors and teachers who were teaching coding and critical thinking to the students. Uh, Critical thinking is actually the next thing which actually will be used in future. I would like to appreciate all the participants who presented their ideas, their projects. They were actually very deeply thought, and their presentation was also it looks like that they were not presenting something like that without any preparation. They were prepared, they have their answers, there were too much clarity. And I would like to thank you again for all to having me here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much, Mr. Azhar Sen. And yes, Mr. Kiani, please, your concluding notes for Techno Show Season 8.
I would like to say thank you for inviting me on such productive and knowledgeable event. It was my first event to join with your team. So I'm a physics teacher with physics background, and today I'm having a lot of idea about the coding and stuff after hearing you all guys. So it's really amazing experience for me to know about the importance of this computer science. What I have seen even not only the game, not only the computer science degree, these all skills are very important in many degrees right now. Some students are not able to do their qualification if they don't know this background. For example, once I went to University of Cambridge in summer school to attend something about astrophysics, but I was not able to read. They need a computer science background. So when I went there, they said, "Oh, you don't know the computer science after the interview, and we are sorry you cannot enjoy with this course So then I chose another course because of a lack of knowledge. So and now, even when we counsel students where to go, and when we see the need of the universities, so they need a strong, strong background in computer science. So it's amazing job what your team is doing, what they are educating this new generation, what they are giving. That's the need and demand. And I think we should move as soon as possible in this AI era because it's dramatically changing to towards computer science, and all all kind of the professional they are linking with these all skills. So it's amazing. It's really enjoyable, and thank you very much again having me. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, and it was great to have you. Yes, Mr. That was Mr. Zakiani, and we have Mr. Rahim as well with us. Yes, your concluding notes for TechnoShow Season 8.
It was amazing. This was my first time. Thanks, Farah, for inviting me. And I thoroughly enjoyed it. What I'm noticing in actually is a really good thing that they're not just learning coding or thing. They're also learning presentation skills and how to explain things, and they're also able to articulate what's going in their mind. So I think those are the key important things that one of the suggestions I would give to the teachers who are doing that: don't let them fall in love with the tools. Tools are here today, tomorrow they are gone because things are changing. Let them what's the thought process behind it, how are you going to take it forward, what is missing. And I think those things are important because, as Raza said, the AI is coming quite faster than we anticipate, and over there the thought process and think through will be more beneficial than just the coding part of it. So happy to be here. Inshallah, I'll join in the future too, and good luck to everyone.
Thank you so very much. And that is the panel that we have of the mentors for TechnoShow Season 8. And let me just take this opportunity to say that each one of our mentors bring such a unique element to make the TechnoShow Season 8 successful, with all the encouraging words, as well as the technical aspect, the different questions, then also the question that comes in moving forward, giving the participants a way or a dimension to think about, encouraging critical thinking, and all that was wrapped up and packaged so well by our mentors. So thank you so very much for gracing the Techno Show Season 8. Now we are going to move forward to the mastermind behind this event, and that is Ms. Farah, the CEO and founder of Affreej Elearning. Ms. Farah, over to you, your concluding notes for this amazing and successful Techno Show Season 8.
Yes, thank you, Ahad. Thank you so much. Uh, it's been amazing as we come to closing this Techno Show. I want to really dearly students. I am truly inspired to witness the creativity, the passion for coding that you have. I always tell my students that I have always been passionate about coding, and when I see the same in my students, it's amazing. It's like you all made my day today. So every project was amazing. It reflected those technical skills that you've been learning with us, your imagination for sure, and the courage to you have an imagination and turn it to reality.
Yeah.
That is what you've done. So that's amazing. For in the front of camera, you should have a smile on your face. That really makes a difference. When you're presenting that time also, and when you are sitting in the front of camera, you should have a small smile on your face always. To the mentors, special thank you to all the mentors who are here today, Mr. Raza, Mr. Rahim, Mr. Azhar, and Miss Faria, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for accepting our invitation to join us, to give us your precious time. I know it's not easy to take out time, but it was really your inputs were really uh, encouraging for our students, and it really made a lot of difference. Um, yeah, and obviously, Miss Fatima and Abdurrahman. You've been with us since so long, and obviously, without your training session, whenever there's an event, she's there to help us out. And your presentation and your hosting made it all the way to the end. Thank you.
Thank you so very
Over to
much.
you.
And thank you so very much. And great words as well. Techno Show Season 8 is coming to an end for now, right now. Miss Farah, as a ritual, we always take a group photo so you can prepare for that. And for our audience watching this Techno Show live right now, so Affreej Learning, you have witnessed the kind of caliber and the training, and as well as the potential that it identify in its students, and then give the platform to showcase it as well. So if you are intrigued for your kids, or if you are a student watching yourself, if you would like to enroll at Affreej Learning, do visit the website and the social media platform. You can contact Affreej Learning and get on board with us. Miss Farah, shall we take a picture or move forward?
Yes.
Yes. Perfect.
Okay. Abdul Salam and Abbas, your
Yes.
video. Malik.
Malik Musa, everyone, please turn on your cameras. We are going for a quick.
Sarasa, I have sent you the background. Can you put that, please? Will that be possible for you to put the background? Sarasa?
Yes, Mr. Raza.
Yeah, yeah. What do you want me to change?
The
Your
background, please.
background, please.
Uh, well,
It's okay.
I think it should go naturally. No issue with that.
It's okay.
So,
No problem. No
Okay,
problem,
okay,
sir.
okay. Abdul Salam, please
Okay,
set
so
your
are we,
background and we are ready for the
Abbas?
picture.
Yes, Abbas, are you here? Can you switch on your camera, Malik and Abbas?
Malik Musa and Abbas Haider, please turn on your
Malik
cameras.
was here. Hmm.
Uh, okay. Malik Musa and Abbas Haider, if you're listening, and I hope that you are, please turn on your cameras. Abdul Salam, please also set your background as it was before. Yes, Ms. Farah, would you like, shall we proceed? I guess
Yes.
Hamza is
They're
on.
here.
We are just waiting for Malik Musa. Please turn on your camera. Mm-hmm. Ms. Farah, shall we carry on?
Yes, yes. One
Okay.
second. I'm just rearranging a bit.
Please do, please do.
Yeah.
All right, everybody ready? Big smiles, big smile, a little bit of excitement of what you have just achieved at TechnoShow Season 8. Yes, Malik Musa is with us. Yes, that's the energy what I'm talking about. Yes,
Yes, we need
Ishal,
a smile.
Hamza.
We need a smile.
Yeah, we need a good smile, a thumbs up. Let's go with what Malik Musa is doing. Okay, let's go with a thumbs up and a big smile and the pic. Are we picture perfect right now, Miss Farah?
Yes.
Okay, let's go for it.
Hold on to that.
I love what how Malahat is. That's great energy. Yeah, Afan Ikhlas, can I see a thumbs up? Yes, geez. Okay, that's perfect. I just got my inner Pakistani out just because of your thumbs up. Okay. So yeah, Miss Farah, on your call.
Yes, thank you.
Perfect. Thank you so very much. And with that, I would like to officially close the Techno Show Season 8. Thank you so much, every single one of you, for making this event a very great success. All those who are watching us on live stream, you know how to connect to Affreej. Just visit our website or social media and connect with us if you want to enroll. Thank you so much, all the cares. We are going to take a leave. Take care.
I'd
Allah
like to
Hafiz.